Hi, so there's a lot of interest in Reliance and today is 27th of June, so this is going to be a very short video जहाँ पे मैं Reliance के बारे में कुछ डिस्कशन करूँगा, मेरे कुछ ट्रेडिंग आइडियाज़ और मैं मुझे जैसे लग रही है उसके बारे में मैं एक छोटी सी एक वीडियो बनाई हूँ. There are a lot of people who have contacted me in my Twitter handle or through personal messaging asking me what should we do with Reliance and how to move forward from here. So Reliance के explicit videos during breakdown when we were tracking from 2240 levels, and then how we were very much convinced, how I was very much convinced that Reliance going forward is going to be a pain and not going to help you in any ways. Is something which is already there in my YouTube channel, and वो आपको upper right hand corner में मिल जाएगी वो पुरानी वीडियो. बट bygones are bygones, अभी हम क्या करें, right? So this video is all about this, so stay tuned. So going forward you see that Reliance का एक जो February month से जो एक अगर हम लो का एक चैनल बनाते हैं, so right now Reliance is at 2104-05 level, and going forward it should theoretically get a support roundabout at 2000 levels. Agar worst, if it comes to worst, so this is how I see it, is over here around about यहाँ पे आके उसको एक support मिलने की कोशिश है. But right now Reliance is in a juncture and there is nothing which we can comment, and in the past this region has act like support, and now it's also trying to act like a support. Going forward I think Reliance will be consolidating, so just keep a track of the 2080 levels. So this is also a very important level for Reliance, and I predicted that 2080 would act like a support when it was trading around about 2179 levels. But going forward, this is definitely, if it breaks, as I have mentioned, it's a short zone. So basically, even if you are not able to close your trades, long trades, the market will short in this particular region, and it will try to see. Definitely 2000 is a huge big psychological level, and so moreover it's a round number, so maybe it will try to get a support around about 2000, but 2080 for now looks really very good support for Reliance at least. And you can see this is on an hourly chart, so since hour it has been trying to breach, but there are these upper wicks which are coming from 2120 levels. Going forward I think a very interesting level for me would be 2138 to 2140, and if it is able to break it and sustain and maintain this particular level, so let me write it for you, is 2138. And as long as 2138 is not breached, and Reliance is not able to move forward from 2138, I really think that there's not much Reliance will do going forward. Right now, as of today, I don't see any positions which have been made with in respect to Reliance, either in a short or in a long direction. So right now the market is sort of more of the view of that Reliance will be stuck in a zone, maybe for a few sessions, and try to consolidate between 2140 and 2080 levels. And the reason for this is the reason for this is it's being it has figures, you see over here. So this is actually the reason why Reliance had the breakdown, and this was exactly the levels of 2194 which I have mentioned in the earlier video, which you will find in the upper right hand corner. So even though there was a breakdown came, it tried to enter this channel, and this channel was a beautiful channel जो बहुत sessions से चल रही थी, if you see. So this was from the end of May. It was in this particular channel for 1 month, and then a breakdown came. And जब यहाँ पे breakdown ऐसी सब structures में आती हैं, so definitely people are going to liquidate their positions even in loss, and theoretically this is exactly what happened. And so you can see this huge red candles which were formed over from here, and now the good thing is Reliance was opened at 2151, and then throughout the day, in the very first candle, it went and touched 2080, which was the low of the day, and also a very good support, and it was able to sustain 2100 levels, at least for now. Right now, going forward, if Reliance starts consolidating in this particular range, then the worst thing is if you are taking any unhedged options, or call options. And so basically, if you have bought some unhedged call options, so your premium is going to get decayed, and eventually with time, this is exactly, I think, what the strategy would have is of all the big players. Going forward, I think this zone of 21402, or rather more on the upper side, 2160 to 2180, this zone is a huge resistance zone for now for Reliance. And breaking this, I don't think this will happen very quick, and even if it goes over there, there will be extensive level of selling coming from this region, but you never know, and these are all speculations, so please consult your financial advisor before making any move. I'm just trying to speculate of how the Reliance is moving. So from my personal perspective, I think the structure looks really weak for now, but since it's very near the support region, so maybe a lot of people are thinking it will act like a support for now. Till now, it's in the weekend of 27th of June, I really don't see that the positions are getting created which support this hypothesis that this is going to reverse from here. Going forward tomorrow, if the market opens and it opens with a gap up and then positions are added, that's a different thing. But as of now, I really don't think that this will act like a very good support for now. It may dip and then buying can come and then positions can get added, or it can go up towards 2140 and then positions can get added. But right now it's on a neutral zone and it can move anyways. Towards 2140 or towards 2080. But going forward, I would say that you should always keep your positions hedged and don't buy, going forward, just don't buy any unhedged options, because these are very typical moves that after a very big move like this, the big three candles which came in, you will always find, just like say here, a big breakdown came and then a break, and then it started consolidating, and when this type of things happen, it just eats away all your premium. And especially going forward, the best which Reliance can do is 2250 levels. This is absolutely the best, unless and until there is some news based movement which comes in. But I think going forward, this 2250 would be a very big very good sort of a resistance, at least till this result of Reliance comes in, which is slated for 16th of July. But till then, don't get trapped in these particular positions, and always try to hedge yourself. So I will be definitely be tracking the 2140 to 160 levels, and I would be tweeting or taking some positions. But till then, I can very well see that 2150 and 2050, and so these are on a higher band or higher range, where Reliance will keep moving. And at this point of time, it would be prudent to have a look at 2080 levels पे आप अपना ध्यान रखें, or going forward, if a breakdown comes, then definitely 2000 is a huge big psychological support for Reliance, and maybe it will be able to take a support at 2000 region. But this is all about Reliance, so there's not much, not every script and not every range can be traded, and this is exactly what's also with Reliance. Hope this video was helpful, and this will help you in getting some broader perspective of the way I am seeing Reliance as of 27th of June. Thanks a lot for listening, and hope this helps you. Bye bye.